you can't chat in on me face when you just wake up. Me and you walk up the street, you don't need makeup. Kitty firm and stiff, nothing off it tape up. Pussy good like.
Can you rock for me, oh baby? Not stop for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me, oh baby? All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakera. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And y'all, I'm back in Jamaica again. It was not even 6 months since I was here. I have a wedding to attend to, and y'all, I had a rough day of traveling because like I missed my flight. They had to rebook my flight, and then my new flight was a connected flight. And traveling with a baby on a connected flight, yeah, it's not it. But
anyways, so we're at Plantation Smokehouse, and when I came here they said like we couldn't dine in, we could only do takeouts. But the last time when I come here, we met a friend, she saw us tonight. I'm like, yo, can you hook us up with a table? Cause there's a long line, like it's mad crowded tonight, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
Just come to me, I'll give you that sweet type of love. Sweet type of love.
Starbucks in Jamaica makes Starbucks in America look bad. Nah lie.
Yeah, who is that? Yeah. I got a bad bitch.
Who's drinking dark? Are you fucking
Light, yeah.
light? Dark. That's dark in there. You can't sweat.
Bumper clock, yeah. No, stop stop it. You must stop it. When this, we not like this. You true blood clot. And
No, when you're going to journey, happiness, more life, money.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm getting ready because we're going out to eat tonight at a restaurant called Sharky's. I've been there before once, but I didn't dine in. I just had like a cup of soup and that was it, and the soup was good. And I don't know if I mentioned, but like there's still a curfew in Jamaica, but nobody don't really follow curfew rule. Last night was lit, y'all, and I'm so sorry. This trip I haven't been vlogging much. I've been more focused on TikTok, to be honest. But hopefully by the time this trip is over, I have enough footage to like post a vlog. My last travel vlogs, you guys seem to like it, so I'm gonna try my best to like get something for y'all on camera. Tomorrow we go in town because I need some crab in town, and then my sister and friend, they have business to do in town, so yep. Y'all come take shots. Bitch, come take a fucking shot. My best friend is being a pussy. Take a fucking shot. Yeah, she never take the shot, so I'm gonna take the shot. You want it? That's my nice clean best friend, big driver.
No, put me in there, do. Cover my face.
She don't want to be on camera. I'm sure her stiff breast, cause a good girl don't want to show face. Now us getting stopped by the feds. In the Monday morning, yeah.
I'm not here.
What's the blood clot? No, sir.
Man, bum back there.
What do you get in China? Cause foreign never good enough for you. You want a Jamaican experience.
Some want one with cow skin and one chicken foot. 2 chicken foot, but 1 no meat tonight. 3, yeah.
English come.
You don't remember me? Yeah, let's soup here bad. Bad.
Alright. This is Tashana.
Hi guys.
Me and her used to go to school together. She a good makeup artist in Jamaica. Yeah, period.
Yeah.
She also vlogging, guys. Hey guys, so I'm loving my makeup. Like, she fucking did that. Alright? Period. Anyways, I don't know if I told you guys, but my mom is getting married. How could I forget to tell you guys that? Or maybe I did. I just don't remember. But yeah, today's her day. But tell her, I said she should tell me the prayer when she pray. Because I understand how she get married before me. Can y'all believe this is the first time someone else has ever done my makeup? Yeah?
First time you only buy a vlog.
You're too light. You're too light.
She got brains and them tatas. She that day she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch your phone. She gon' let it smoke. Man, she don't play. And she my type. She got brains.
Da. My mom is officially married, and I'm so happy for her. Like, she was walking down the aisle, and I was legit in tears, like crying, because it's so beautiful. Y'all, we gonna eat some good ass fried chicken, the best KFC in the world. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna order from KFC. Maybe barbecue chicken, maybe original, spicy. I don't know. Let's see. And I'm in my hat because the bitch is going to the beach. Are you ready? We got our KFC. Thank you. This a door, yeah, big door. Anyways, guys, the crew is out to Duns River. This is my first time. It's the crew. My brother and my sister, them. See them there? And all I wanna go on YouTube. I'm gonna write you nothing. No, I think say me I got no, I think I got turn the pipe. But guys, look here. Fancy something. Unfortunately, we can't go Duns River because the people that we come with, them not have no ID.
You bitch!
So, what we doing? What we doing?
We just until 5 o'clock.
Yeah, more is the bathroom too. Do what on our crosses. Me swim go away.
Put it all the way, but that feel really good when I was away.
Thank you.
You have enough play night, but you don't get no problem.
What am I just now? Where's this a pretty body? Can I get a bouncer? Come best friend. Come in my vlog, bitch. Hey. Look, you know I'm never sure where you are. But watch them people here. See?
Fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more? Your body, check it. Go share it, yeah, imade. Double dose, kilo fe.
Yo, them have Wendy's in Jamaica now. Period. So we're going to Fontana, the famous Fontana, because I was gonna reinstall my wig because I wanna center part, but my friends say like, why am I gonna waste money for reinstall a wig when I could do it myself? So I'm just gonna get some silicone mix, wash it, juju it up, give myself a center part because I have all the tools to do it, and do it my damn self, like she say. Save some money. Good morning. It's nice in here. Hey, I'm gonna do alcohol. Eh?
Is grape nuts, proteins and cream and raisin, pistachio, vanilla with chocolate, and those are two vanilla coffee, and those are the non-dairy ice cream.
Okay.
And no, these are the dairy ice cream. Those at the back is the non-dairy ice cream.
Oh, that is.
Would you like to sample it?
Oh, we could sample?
Yes, you can.
Sure, thank you. You could hear the excitement when them greet me with. But like it, they nice. Y'all, it's that time to go back home, and I ain't gonna front. The bitch is depressed. Like, y'all don't understand.